Alright, hey guys. So for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what I want you guys to be doing is I have I have a few different podcasts for you to listen to. And I'm just going to show you how to get to them if you guys are still struggling with Notebook at all. So let me show you guys here quick. Not that page. So if we're in Teams, you guys, this is where this plan for Tuesday is where this video is going to actually be posted. But here is what you would do. So if you are struggling with Teams at all and figuring out the class notebook, I would watch this video. So you'll click on class notebook up here, you guys. It's not going to show all the tabs or all the options right away. You have to click that little arrow and then weekly plan. So right here, you guys, March 23rd through the 27th, it shows that I want you guys to listen to podcasts. So we have a few different ones down here. If you scroll down, I have some that are listed. So why bad pricing leads to fights at Chuck E. Cheese's. Do people like standing in line? What are they waiting for? So there's a bunch of different podcasts here. If you find another one that you find really interesting that deals with economics, go for it. Just go for it. But here is what you have to do. So this week, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, this is really your instructions for these 3 days. So you are going to click on a link and listen to that podcast. Then you are going to just copy this information right here. So I'm going to copy it. And then what I would suggest doing, the easiest way to keep track of this, is you can go, so let's say, I'm just going to use Callie for an example. So right now she has 2 things underneath her name in her class notebook. She has her class notes and then this current event project, which don't worry too much about the current event project. I'm going to talk about that on Friday. So if I wanted to add a page, and this page I was going to name podcast info. I can then paste, you guys, that information, and I can just fill this in. So if she listens to it today, she could write March 24th, 2020. She could write the title of whatever podcast she wants or watched, or not watched, I guess, listened to. Her take 5 summary, so explain the main idea of the podcast in 5 sentences, no less, no more. Be efficient with your words. Connection to economics, apply at least one economic concept you've learned. Okay, so this is just where she would kind of type out her response to that podcast. I just want you to do 3 of these. So let's say she does this one, and then tomorrow she comes in and does another one. She can just paste it right in there. And this way, you guys, I can check your class notebook, so there's no reason for you need to turn it in or email it to me or submit it. If you guys fill these podcast information or these 4 questions out within your class notebook, I can just see it all from right there, and you don't need to turn in an assignment, email it to me or anything like that. So just copy and paste it on in. I will delete this from her team so she doesn't have all that in there. So yeah, weekly plans, you guys. Go to March 23rd, 27th, mental exercising with podcasts. This is your assignment for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Also, the stock market journal. Remember, you guys, it's under collaboration space. If you have not set up a trading stock account yet, you guys, this video will talk you through it. This link, you guys, will show you what your rankings are, so that's where you will get these numbers down to record. This, you guys, if you haven't signed up yet, follow this link to join. Alright, and then this video is just a refresher on how the website works. Alright, I will talk to you later, guys. Have a great Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I will be, if you guys didn't notice, I started a group chat with you guys. So if there's ever any questions, just pop onto that chat, or if you do not feel like asking it in the group, you can start a private chat with me. To do a private chat, you guys, all you have to do is go over here to chat, and you can click new chat, and then you just type in whoever you want to talk to. So in this case, if you want to talk to me, you type my name, my email will pop up, and then you just start typing like in any other messenger. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.